All right, and now we're going to do the top portion. So I already have cut out all the pieces that will make up that top of the cone, and I'm going to start shaping them. There's a lot of ways. I'm going to show you one, and I'm going to grab the small one. I don't want to mess this up, but look what you can do. This can only be done with smaller parts. You can make use of a tweezer. You can make use of a tweezer. You can make use of the handle of the scalpel. You can even use a pen. The point is to use this and to shape it and to curve it. Look, you just press slightly, rocking it side by side. There, look at that. Now I can show you that even with the help of a tweezer. I have to be careful. Now, look, you have to follow the angle of the part. In this case, is curved. So let's pretend. So you're not going to curve it this way. It would be it's much easier to curve it this way because the circumference is over here, and you pivot. You can pivot your thumb here and your tweezer this midline, and then moving it in an angle like this. Okay, you can use the handle the same way. Beautiful. Look, it's shaped. And do that with all these parts. This is more of a straight, so you just have to rock it left and right the straight way. This has a little bit of a curve here, so just a little bit tiny. What you're doing is shaping it, and you can use the palm of your hand because it's better. It's soft and you will not damage as long as you roll it. As long as you roll it carefully. There you go. All right. So now